I'm back with the video, and today I will show you the fastest and the longest fidget spinner in the world. And that's the spinner. I have it, I'll show it to you, I'll prove it, and you will be done. You will be totally done. That's the best spinner ever. Ever. So, that's not the real deal, boys. That's the real deal. Just see. Longest spinning and the fastest spinning fidget spinner. Am I right, guys? Here it is with me. Longest spinning, fastest spinning fidget spinner. You don't need hands. Just look at it. Best thing ever. The goal of your life is to achieve that fidget spinner. This is nothing. This is just shit. Small piece of shit. That's the real deal. That's the thing you need. I guarantee you that's the fastest spinning fidget spinner. Just throw it. Throw it, just get in there.